You come into one and there's a laughing Buddha. I mean, what more can you need? This doggy. Hey. In this video, I give you a thorough review of the Hotel Botanico, which is also known as the Oriental Spa Garden. Now, this hotel absolutely blew my mind away. It was one of the most luxurious hotels I've seen. It's opposite the Botanical Gardens in Puerto De la Cruz in north of Tenerife. It's not overly expensive to go. You'll be surprised to find out. There are links below if you wanted to go and check out the time of year you'd like to go and what it will cost. And then to the left of the entranceway is a beautiful lounge which also couples up as the show bar. Outside you can sit by the pool. This was the best cappuccino I'd ever had. It was accompanied by petit four and I just loved sitting there. The staff had an amazing can-do attitude. You ask them something and the reply was of course. You can have whatever you want. You get robes to walk around in all day. There's a luxurious setting. The food is incredible, outstanding. The flavours are amazing. Now, of course, this hotel has beautiful gardens surrounding it. So we're going to take a little walk around the gardens and show you everything that I saw. I felt as though Elton John would be at home in this place. There were black swans, there was gorgeous gardens. They were being tended to. It was absolutely stunning. So this is very cute. There's a herb garden where they have their herbs that they cook with. That's absolutely incredible. It smells really, really good. It smells great. How pretty. But just over here, there's a little ping pong you can play and a very large butterfly. Gardens are incredibly beautiful. There's a black swan over there. 2 black swans. And there's the whole aspect of the hotel there. So this part of the grounds is a little more shady and lovely and cool. Look how gorgeous the lawns are. And then these little lanterns you can see all at night. And just got lovely little water feature. Everything's so clean. Isn't that sweet? You like that? I like that. And then we just follow this path round back to the hotel again. So there's all the rooms up there. You can see all the lovely kind of oriental feel that there is from the outside. And you can even walk across the water. And there's bridges, which is beautiful. Look at that. What do you think? And there's a little dip pool there if you like the shade. And a bigger swimming pool over there. Gorgeous seating with cushions. Really, really nice. Gorgeous restaurant. They've got nice gluten-free pastries and things, which we like. There's a few little shops. Lovely lounge areas just outside. It's decorated so nicely for Christmas right now. Super, super pretty. Look at that amethyst. Houses. Okay, so through this way is the Oriental restaurant. And are these real? These are actually real. Okay, so that's bougie. You know, I do like to review a toilet, and when you come into one and there's a laughing Buddha, I mean, what more can you need? This hotel has got everything that you could possibly need, including jellyfish. Okay, so as you come out onto this main road. There's loads to do here as well. but it's pretty all the way up and down, all the way up and down. And my coffee in there was probably one of the best cappuccinos I've ever had, with 2 little petit four, which were proper petit four and amazing, and it cost me €4.50. So I don't know if you can normally just go in and get a coffee, but they were quite happy for me to go do that. So if you've enjoyed this review of the beautiful Hotel Botanico and the Oriental Spa Garden, please do give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, because there's more to come, hopefully of that quality. As I build this channel, I'd love to have you on board with me. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Across this bookshop, it looks like people are donating. Now in my bag I always carry bookmarks. How many have I got? Can I leave you my watch of bookmarks? Yes, I can. Let me keep one, because I sometimes leave them somewhere, and then people can have a bookmark when they have their books if they want them. Let me see if he wants them.